guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Today we are going to do a finger coiling tutorial. I finger coiled my hair today, and finger coiling helps you to get very uniform and perfect curls throughout your entire head. So if you are struggling with curls that don't come out the same as others, or if you just want to add more spiral to your curl, this is a great technique to use. It takes about 20-ish minutes for me to get through my entire head. So let's get started with the tutorial. I just washed my hair, so I'm going to put in a leave-in conditioner, an oil, and then a curl cream as I normally would with a wash and go. And today I am using the Inner Sense Sweet Spirit leave-in conditioner. And I'm just spraying it in and smoothing and using the praying hands method to apply it. I'm still not really used to using a spray leave-in conditioner. You can see that as I apply it, it's kind of awkward, but I'm learning as I go. Now I'm going to use the Main Choice Ancient Egyptian Anti-Breakage and Repair Antidote Oil. I'm just using a little bit per section. And the curl cream of choice today is the Inner Sense Inner Peace Texturizer Cream. Cannot tell you how much I love this curl cream, so I'm just going to apply it today to see what this curl cream can do when I am using the finger coiling technique. I have added links to all of these products in the description box, so you can go there to find these products and purchase them if you like the results that I get. Now on to the finger coiling section. I am just taking sections of hair that look like they have clumped together. I am pinching halfway down the strand with one hand, and then with the other hand, I am just twirling the curl around my finger and moving my hand down as I release the curl. And then you can see the curl just bounces up as soon as I release it. I love how that happens. And as you are finger coiling your hair, you want to make sure that you have already parted your hair and you're finger coiling it and pulling your hair to the side that you want your hair to actually lay once you are done. But other than that, you're basically doing the same thing over and over again. It is a little tedious, but it doesn't take too long. As I said before, it only takes me about 20 minutes to go through my entire head. I do usually start out a little bit slower, and then as time goes on, I start to get my groove and I begin to curl much faster. But I'm not going to keep you here for the full 20 minutes that I am finger coiling my hair, so I'm going to fast forward this process so you don't get too bored. And I think the finger coiling technique is totally worth it. I love the results. I typically do this when I am traveling so that I don't have to do my hair as often throughout the week. I don't have as much product with me normally when I'm traveling. So it's just easier. I'm not having to refresh my hair throughout the week when I'm doing this. And I just think it gives it better hold. And see, I am getting my groove now. I'm going a little bit faster. I know this is fast forward, but I am starting to get used to curling my hair with my finger, and it is just moving so much faster at this point. And I'm just breezing through the rest of the sections of my hair, and that's why it's only taking me 20 minutes to get done now. I am finally coming to my very last section of hair and getting that finished. Now I'm going to scrunch my hair up. I have not done my right side yet, but I want to show you guys the difference here. You can just see already how much more spiral the left side of my head has than the right side, which is not done yet. So I did the right side of my head off camera, And this is the final result. I love how spirally my curls look, but also I have much more volume than I normally would have on day one. And I'm just loving it. If you love the results that I got from this tutorial, and if you plan to try it or if you have tried it, please let me know in the comments. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And please, if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to hit the subscribe. Thank you and see you next time.